In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Slow Turning by John Hiatt. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
All right, those are the intro chords to a great song by John Hiatt called Slow Turning. John Hiatt is one of my very favorite songwriters of all time. He's written some great songs for Bonnie Raitt. He wrote a Thing Called Love, and yeah, he's just a cool dude and a great writer. This one is capoed on the 5th fret, so we're playing in the key of C, but I'm going to call out the chords as they lie. So the verse goes G, C, F, C, G. Okay? When I was a boy, C, F, C, thought it gets back to G. Came to you, C, F, C. And then in time it goes, when I was a boy, thought it just came to you. Never was good enough. Didn't matter anyway. Again, only pride and joy was this record down here, banging on an old guitar, singing what I had to say. Then it goes to the bridge, and the B section, I should say. That goes to a D, and then A minor 7th, C, G, back to your D, A minor 7th, and then it goes C to a C sus. Okay? So let me play that in time for you, the B section. Goes right to the chorus, which is the same changes as the verse. It's been a slow turning, G, C, F, C, side out, C, F, slow G, again, slow burning, moments, wait, slow turning, baby, I fade. Okay, so that's, now you've got the verse, the B section, and the chorus.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
There is a little lick that, so that's I think that's played by Sonny Landreth on slide guitar, one of my favorite slide players. And I started out with a, on the G string, 4th fret, and then 2nd fret, open, and then D string, 2nd fret. And then you go to the 3rd finger, 3rd fret D string, and then back to 2nd, open to the 3rd fret A string. So it sounds like this in slow motion. here's what it sounds like in context. This one live, if I've got another instrument on hand, whether it's a fiddle or another guitar player or keyboards or whatever, sometimes the organ sounds good, and it depends on who's there. I'll have them play. It goes back to a verse. Kids are in the backseat, banging like Charlie Watts. Well, we've come so far in this one-horse town. She's laughing like crazy laugh, 'cause they haven't got a parking lot yet. B section. Time is short, there's a damn thing about it. Gonna die for sure. Just a slow turning on the inside out. Slow turning, baby, what it's all about. Slow learning, swinging, yeah. Slow turning, baby, how to fade away, how to fade away. So this is a good song to play with a couple of guitars, and it's really kick-ass with a band. I've done it many times at many gigs, and it's always a great dance too. It gets everybody up dancing and rocking and rolling. So there's Slow Turnin' by John Hiatt. And the one other thing I wanted to mention is when I come into the verse, after I've done a big chorus, and I've done that lick, then I'll break it down, like particularly on the second verse, and I'll use my palm with my right hand to kind of mute down, so it sounds like. So I like to hunker down on a verse, especially like as a rule, a second verse, dynamically bring it down tight. So, well, I'm in my car, I got the radio on, kids are in the backseat, banging like Charlie Watts. Well, they come so far. So you can really have fun with this song, and if you got a good drummer knows how to do it, a Charlie Watts beat, throw it in there, a little satisfaction. So that's Slow Turnin', my version of it. Again, I encourage you to try to inhabit a song, any song you perform. You know, put your own spin on it. Don't be afraid to do it your own way, because, you know, that's what kind of makes it personal and actually cool. All right, I'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.